On this video, we're going to introduce a new vehicle to the channel. And no, Rachel is not trying to beat me with the dog leash, but
now I am.
Now she is. A week ago, we picked up this brand new car to add to our family. This is a 2022 Chevrolet Bolt EV, and it's going to be part of our adventures. It's my new daily driver, and next month it's going to go with us on a cross-country road trip from North Texas to Eastern Tennessee and back, and we'll have a nice vlog for that road trip coming up.
Yay!
Do you have anything you want to... So, you want to share some thoughts about the car or anything like that?
The car is great. It's really nice. It's very sort of... substantial and high quality. It's not super luxurious, but it's a really nice car, and it's much bigger than the Fiat, which I've been driving for the last week or so, and yeah, I like it a lot.
Well, technically you were driving the Fiat for a large chunk of the summer.
That's true. I would go back and forth from the Fiat to the Subaru, and I haven't driven the Subaru in quite a few days now.
In a while.
Also, we traded in the truck. It's kind of sad we don't have a truck anymore, but...
So this is now my truck.
Yeah.
And so now we have two EVs in the family. Gas prices this summer made us really not want to buy gasoline. And these things are so fun to drive. This car is very, very easy to drive. It's fun. Like Rachel said, it's not a Cadillac, but it rides really nice. It's not a sports car, but it handles really nice. It's not a Tesla, but it accelerates really nice. And it costs half of what all of those others would. Chevrolet, over the summer, announced very aggressive rebates on the Chevy Bolts after they resumed production on them after their battery recall. They got the problem fixed and deeply discounted the Bolts. The rebate on this one, since it was an EV, was $5,900. And I was able to find one that had just come in stock at our closest dealer. We didn't even have to travel. The closest dealership to our house, Lynn Smith Chevrolet, had just gotten this car in the day before. And it had 9 miles on it when I took it out for the first test drive. When I got back from the test drive, it had 22 miles on it, and the paperwork from when we purchased it said 22 miles on the odometer. I've been driving it to work all week, and we had a round trip to Arlington on it, and now it's at 420 miles, so I've put almost 400 miles on it this week. We're taking it on our Saturday morning errands. We have a car wash membership and the sticker on that one's with the Fiat, because it's been our Saturday grocery errand car pretty much since we picked it up. But we figured we'd try this one out and let it go through the car wash and all of that stuff. And we'll kind of let you ride along for our adventures on our errand day with the Chevy Bolt.
And Fiona this was her first time in this car. She literally had not been in this car before just now, today. And she was a little scared. It was a little higher than the Fiat, and she was just scared to jump up into it. So I helped her. But she's happy now, sleeping in Luke's lap.
There you have it. but this Chevy dealership is where we got the car.
Hi there.
Then
Cars.
use the right two
Birthplace?
lanes to exit right onto exit 37.
Not birthplace.
State Highway 174 South.
Foster home.
Cayman,
Foster home.
Wilshire.
So our errands are done, right?
Our errands are done.
What all did we get accomplished?
Well, we went to get some breakfast food, and then we had a car wash, and then we went to Sam's Club and picked up, you know, Sam's Club size groceries, which fit in this car.
And then we
Went to HEB and picked up the normal groceries.
was there a stop in between there?
There was. We picked up water also.
Let's go around to where that is.
Yeah. So that's the water jug. We get usually 5 gallons of water every week. That's a dog. Hi, dog. Say hi, Fiona. Okay, stay there, honey. Watch your nose.
All right, so now we go home, right? And we unload.
Yep, that's the plan. And then we have another adventure planned for later, which you will get to see on another video.
Thanks for watching, everybody.